Welcome to the Healthy Snacks 2026 collaboration. This is the kickoff video, and this is the first day of this collaboration. For the rest of the month, we're going to be having all kinds of great healthy snacks that are going to be shared by all of the participants in this collaboration. It'll be a Monday through Friday scheduled event. I've got details down in the description box below. And on Saturdays and Sundays, we're opening it up. If you'd like to share a video for this collaboration, go for it. Make sure you tag myself, Tammy at Mountain Grandma, also Gail over at Gail Southern Living, and Heather at Milk and Honey Heritage Farms. We are co-hosting this collaboration this year. Hey, and make sure you check out their Healthy Goals Wednesday live that happens at 6 p.m. Central every Wednesday evening. It's a great way to stay on top of your motivation and get some great healthy tips. Now, on to this video. So for my first video in this collaboration, I thought I would just share something easy because I want to remind everybody that making a healthy snack and having those on hand for yourself and your family doesn't have to be hard or complicated. It can be as easy as eating your fruits and vegetables. And I actually created this because I went to the store to buy groceries and I saw a bowl of fruit that looked amazing. And then I turned it over and I looked at the back of the package and it was already, cut up bowl of fruit, and it was ridiculously priced. And it reminded me of, oh my goodness, like, why do we shouldn't buy it like this. We should make it ourselves, because usually you get a bowl of fruit and then there's going to be super ripe fruit down at the bottom of it that, nobody really wants to eat. So I bought all the ingredients and I just started making my own. And I thought I would share this as a reminder to everybody. You don't just have to cut into a cantaloupe or just to cut into a honeydew or just have some strawberries or grapes. Take the extra step, make a wonderful bowl of fruit that the whole family can enjoy. And it really becomes a treat. It's just like, upgrading that fruit, right? And when you're trying to eat healthy, keep in mind that you should try to eat from the rainbow. And that's what a bowl of fruit really is when you combine a bunch of different colors like this, right? And there's a good reason for that. Let's talk about it. So every color of fruit or vegetable is that color because of its ingredients, because of the minerals and the vitamins. And different colored fruit provides, broad spectrum health benefits. And that's why the more colors you eat, the wider the protection for your heart, your immune system, your skin, your gut, and your cellular health. It all is based on colors of the food that you eat. So right here, you saw me make, the bigger fruits, the honeydew and the cantaloupe. I prefer the cantaloupe, but others prefer the honeydew. And I wished I had watermelon, but I didn't get any of that this time around. But those orange and yellow fruits are actually packed full of carotenoids, including, like, you might have heard of lutein, which is good for your eyes, zeaxanthin, beta carotene, right? Those are good for you. And it's not just your cantaloupe and your honeydew, but it could also include your oranges, mangoes, peaches, pineapple, apricots, all those orange and yellow fruits. They support eye health. They promote skin repair and collagen formation. That's kind of an important thing, right? They strengthen your immune function, and they provide natural anti-inflammatory compounds. So your orange and yellow fruits, they're great for you. Now, the honeydew and all of your green fruits, those are loaded with chlorophyll. That's why they're green. And they also contain folate and vitamin K. So think kiwi, green apples, grapes, even, the red leaves or the green leaves on your strawberries could count. But they support detoxification pathways. They support cellular repair. They're great for fiber, for gut health. I mean, that color alone is indicating what they can be helpful with. And they're big on antioxidants, so they're great support for your vascular health. And the strawberries, being red, that's a whole nother thing. So if they're red, they're containing lycopene and anthocyanins. So not just strawberries, but also cherries, raspberries, watermelon, and red apples. They support heart health and healthy blood pressure. They provide lycopene, and that's linked to your cellular protection. They're rich in vitamin C for immune support, and they help reduce oxidative stress. And this bowl of fruit is coming together. It's looking amazing, right? Now, you can see the next thing I'm adding to this is the grapes. And we could say those fall into, the purple world. So blue and purple fruits. Those are loaded with anthocyanins. Your examples are blueberries, plums, elderberries, blackberries. But they're strong brain protective antioxidants from those anthocyanins. Also great for supporting memory and cognitive function and promoting healthy blood vessels and providing deep-acting anti-inflammatory compounds. So we're going to mix all of this up because these are kind of all the big things. I'm going to add some berries in here, and I don't want them to get too mushy. So I kind of am mixing as I go. And here's our blackberries. And even your black fruits can support your health as well with polyphenols and resveratrol. Like those grapes, they had resveratrol, all grapes do. But that's linked to cellular longevity, and they also help to support cardiovascular resilience. They offer some of the highest antioxidant levels there is among fruits. So your berries are just an amazing way to go. And here it is, guys. Check out this beautiful bowl of fruit. So much better than the one, little container that you would be tempted to buy at the grocery store because it's cut up and easy. It's really not hard to do it yourself. And what I did was I loaded this bowl up, I shared it with everybody, and we all munched on it. It was incredible. And there was plenty for later too. Huge serving. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope to see you on the next one. And until I do, remember everybody, keep your joy, folks.